Having the right kind of tools on a job is very important. Obviously, most of you people who do things yourself know that if you use the wrong tool, it makes the job harder and can just not be a good thing. They make pliers for a lot of different purposes. Needle nose, you got these kind and these kind. But if you're putting up fencing, you really want to have a good pair of fence pliers. And we had a comment from, was it Fixing a Hole 2? Fixing a Hole 2. I think that's an Italian name. Fixing a Hole 2. Fixing a Hole 2. How you doing, Fixing a Hole 2? But these are fence pliers. We use these on the job for tying the fence, cutting the fence, and pretty much everything. We could tap the caps on with them. They're very good pliers. I like to get the pliers with more of a needle nose on the tip because I could grab onto the wire and bend it and make nice curls on the fence ties. It also has this on the end, a nice little cutter. Your typical 9-gauge wire, 11-gauge wire, you can cut real easy with these. 6-gauge wire, you would probably have a harder time. I would probably go with the bolt cutters for anything heavier than 9-gauge. But your 9-gauge and your 11-gauge, real easy. You learn how to do this real fast, cutting wire. And again, tying the fence. But a good set of fence pliers is a must if you're doing a big chain link job. And if you need a good set of fence pliers, give Alex a call. I don't know where the tag is going to be. It's going to be somewhere over here. Right there, give Alex a call and get yourself a pair of fence pliers.
What do inexperienced people try to get away with?
They'll try to use these needle nose pliers or even something like this, and it's going to be a lot harder to tie a fence with these. You're just gonna waste a lot of time, and you might hurt yourself because they're just not the right tool. Just get a pair of fence pliers. I'm telling you, they're probably going to cost you $30, maybe $31.95, possibly $32.15. I'm not really sure how much they are, Alex, but I know they're not expensive, and you can use these for so many things around the house. It's so many things. The pickle jar, you can't open it. You tap the cap with it, and get a pair of fence pliers today.
And thank you to Fixing a Hole 2 for leaving such a great comment and inspiring this video.
And thank you to Fixing a Hole 2. Fixing a Hole 2. I'm not sure that's your real name, but thank you, Fixing a Hole 2, for leaving a comment, and keep on fencing.